keep trying to find a tutorial on how to tie a square knot, but none of them are good. Ugh.
Don't worry, I can teach you.
Who are you?
Don't worry about it. I'm just here to teach you.
Okay.
Alright, so the way to tie a square knot is you take your right string, tuck it over your left and under.
So take my right string, put it over my left, and then tuck it under.
Yeah. And then take your left string and tuck it over your right and under.
So like this and like this.
Yeah. And then pull. And that's how you tie a square knot.
Wow, it actually works.
Oh yeah, use your phone back.
Thanks. Guess I don't need you anymore.
Wait, no.